Hey, this is Brian with Old Man New Tech, and this is Nick from Escape VR.
How you guys doing?
Oxford, Michigan. These guys specialize in doing virtual reality experiences, and they got a hold of the new Oculus Quest. Now the 64 gig Oculus Quest starts out at $399, and for $499 you get the 128 gig version. Now it comes with a headset, 2 touch controllers, very ergonomic, 15 watt power adapter, AA batteries which you'll need for your handsets, and it also comes with a spacer for your glasses, which has not been seen before on these sorts of devices. Here's the boxing materials for the Oculus Quest. So we got a nice sliding box that slides in and out of here. You got all your components, charging stuff here. Here's the beautiful box. Now it comes with speakers built into the headband, but there's also a 3.5mm jack so you can plug in your own headphones.
Alright, so the Oculus Quest is probably the most amazing VR headsets come out to date. One of the most noticeable things, no wires, no cords, no nothing, okay? You're able to adjust the lens on the bottom here. And so there's a little slider bar, and so you're able to, get the vision that's best for you. And then one of the major things that's really cool about this thing is you actually can do room scale up to a 40 by 40 area, running around playing VR wirelessly with these lightweight controllers, and you're shooting, running and gunning like you want to, outside or in. There's no limitations with Oculus Quest. Probably the most amazing headset
17,
today.
I destroyed 70, okay.
Pretty sweet, got some pretty good experiences on here. Can have Brian try some experience out and see what he thinks. Alright.
Don't press any buttons and reach over your shoulder.
Now I enter the world of virtual reality.
Alright, so we got Brian playing some SuperHot.
Whoa! Whoa! Ah. Wah, wah. Let me take a look at this environment I'm in. Oh wow, I didn't realize I have all this one. Is this my ship?
Now I was even able to do the Rise of Creed, which runs you through a complete training regimen, including training with Rocky Balboa himself. Teaches you what to do, where to step, and sets up your boundaries. And as you can see, I'm playing Adonis Creed. I can look down at myself, look at my arms, look down at my legs, and I'm even wearing the same shorts as dear old dad, Apollo. Kind of cool.
Now let's do some fighting!
Main event! Two of the world's finest boxers are about to clash!
No.
Yes! 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 Yes!
People can make fun of you while you are utilizing them.
Those are real boxes.
You like it, Raquel?
Oh, this is so cool!
Yeah, absolutely. That's a good one.
Whoa!
Just look for that stationary boundary.
But now it's time for Back in the Day. See, back in the day we had Pong, and that's where you hit a little blip. Back and forth, and back and forth, and back and fourth. And then we had the advent of Atari, with wonderful games like the multi-chromatic Space Invaders. But I was lucky enough to get the short-lived ColecoVision, which actually had a real working version of the arcade-style Donkey Kong. And we felt so lucky.
So tell me a little bit more about the VR experience and how the Quest compares to, say, the PlayStation.
Absolutely. So the PlayStation, as you know, has one facing camera towards the player, and so there's no able to turn around or do anything like that. So track can get lost very easily. With Oculus Go, you have 4 cameras on each corner of the 4 corners of the headset, so it allows you to, so you can see in the box here, it has four cameras right there, and so if you think about it, it's like a bird's eye. And so it's able to a bigger cone of coverage for the tracking. And so that allows you to fully extend your arms. You don't have to play right here. When you're playing Beat Saber, you can go crazy with it. And then there's still a screen door effect for the Oculus Quest. It's better than the PlayStation VR. I think it's better than the Vive, the original Vive, but less than the Vive Pro. And so, but still good condition, good quality. And like I said, the hardware behind it, the free movement is where it's at, and the quality is good enough for consumers who are looking to get in the VR world.
It gives you the complete experience with no tower PC, and you don't need to have a big motion sensor set up either. You do get the experience, trust me. I've used it already, and it's pretty cool. $500? I can see one of these in almost every house with a teenager in it. It's the Oculus Quest. You know, it's the latest and greatest thing, and this thing really brings an arcade experience in home and a big screen experience in home too. You can watch Netflix on it. You can do any sort of downloadable games you can play on there, and they are completely 3D and immersive. So again, it's a pretty wild experience.
I say thumbs up for the Oculus Quest. We have 4 ourselves, looking to do some multiplayer action soon.
Throwing bombs.
Hey guys, producer Tracy here from the Jello Show, and I am lucky enough to be able to try, what is this, the virtual reality?
Oculus Quest?
Oculus Quest. I'm really excited. The thing is, I have horrible hat hair today, so I'm refusing to take my hat off, but I'm trying to figure out a way to put this on without taking my hat off. So let's see, you said I can bend this, right?
Just a little bit, yep.
This.
Yeah.
There you go. All right, on here.
So what you're seeing is Beat Saber. You're seeing the environment around you. This is a little colorful.
It is. Ooh, this is really cool, yeah.
Ultimately, myself and my entire staff had a great time with the Oculus Quest. And for $399 for the 64 gig model, and $499 for the 128 gig model, it represents a great value. I have no choice but to give the Oculus Quest a big thumbs up. Hey! Hey, this is Brian with Old Man New Tech. We can't make this channel happen without you, so please hit subscribe and smash that bell down below. And if you're looking for product links, you'll find them there too. Thank you.